Hey there, and welcome to our homeschooling journey. In today's video, I do want to give you guys a little update on how the last few weeks have been homeschooling our 3.5-year-old and doing a second year of preschool. If you guys saw like any of my other planning videos, and you guys know I came up with this like crazy master list of all the resources that we have, as well as like things that I kind of want to offer throughout like the week. And based off of that and things that we are using every day, like our playing preschool year 2 curriculum, I'm kind of like picking and choosing what we're going to offer her and then sticking to a few of those things. And then if we don't get to some of them, it's totally okay because we have like the whole school year to get around everything. For sure, every day, no matter what, we are doing our playing preschool year 2. And that's pretty much just like a book and 2 cute little activities. And then just talking with my little one about whatever it is that theme or topic is about that week or like those 2 weeks. Every day we do have like a new theme. On Mondays, it's our shape of the day. Tuesdays and Thursdays, it's our letter of the week. And then on Wednesdays, it's our number of the day. And on Fridays, it's our colors and emotions of the day. So those are things that I'm kind of like rotating out weekly. Something that is different about doing like a second year of preschool with my daughter versus with my son is that when I did it with my son, everything was mainly like DIY. We didn't have like a lot of resources, a lot of toys, a lot of anything. So it was just like the 2 activities and either using like paper, cardboard, whatever it is that we could do just because we were like on a bigger budget than we are now. But with my little one, we have gotten like so many amazing resources, whether they were like given, gifted, whatever it may be. We are actually like putting them to use. And that's kind of why every morning I have like her little sensory table laid out. And then I have like a variety of different things that she's able to like play with and just use. And it is more of a like play-based curriculum, which is why you see so many different things. And most of the time, it's just her playing independently. Like I have like a little moment where we kind of like talk about like, okay, today we're going to talk about the letter H or the color red or whatever it may be. And then it's just a cute little brief intro, but then everything else she's like playing with it. Because like my ultimate goal with like preschool last year and this year is just like introducing everything. She doesn't have to master anything. If she learns something, yay, but the main goal is just to introduce everything. That way by the time she like has to learn it by like kinder or pre-K or whatever it may be, she's had like a few years of exposure and it's gonna like click in her head a little quicker versus her having to like master everything in like a week or a few days, you know? But to summarize everything, the first few weeks are going according to plan. We are figuring out what we want to do, what time of the day we like to do things, and so far it's looking good. Like I said before, we have the whole year to play, to learn, to do experiments, to do art activities. So I'm really just gonna take everything like day by day and not force everything to get done. And if we like skip something, we skip something. Oh wow, you know, we could always redo it again over the summer. If you guys have any questions or comments or any ideas or suggestions, go ahead and leave them down in the comments and I'll go ahead and see you guys next time.